Hello everyone, welcome to Trade Only in the Zone YouTube channel. And in this video, we are going to see Nifty and Bank Nifty view for coming week by using our Gann method. So we'll go one by one. First, we'll see Nifty, the weekly view, and then we'll see short-term view also. So we see the weekly range. So we can see clearly from the 15,360, 370 range, the market trying to move towards our cell number of 16,129, and that is the view which we are giving from the month of May. So as of now, the market it is in bullish. So unless Nifty reaching 16,129 and the next target is around 16,384, we cannot expect any further sell movement. So now it is in the great accumulation zone. The complete portion is in accumulation, and few time range is tested, and it is trying to move towards our target. So maybe in the coming week, I'm expecting the levels to be 16,129, and the next target will be around 16,384. This is the Nifty view. So as long as Nifty trading above this 15,300 zone and 15,376 zone, our first ultimate target is 16,129, and the next target is 16,384. This is what I'm expecting. I'm in the complete bullish side, so we can expect bullish momentum only. So once market breaks this low, the low of 15,129, we can think about selling. Otherwise, there is no selling opportunity. So anyway, we have to be in the buy side on every dip towards this zone. So every dip there will be a buy, and our ultimate target is 16,129. The next target 16,384. Don't go sell side. If you're not buying, also fine, but don't short now. So there is no opportunity now to short Nifty. We'll see short term. That means the short term view, which is for coming week trade. This is also short term, but it may take 1 or 2 weeks or even 1 month also to reach these levels. But for the coming week, we can plan some intraday momentum. So we can use the intraday numbers to find out. This is short-term view, and for the intraday and coming week, only the weekly view I'm going to give it now. So the overall position for Nifty. So we have to wait until Nifty reaches 16,129. The next target is 16,384. This is what the upside target for Nifty. So until and unless, don't go short. So just wait for the buying opportunity. Any dip towards this 15,600 also fine. You can go long. We'll see that in the very short term view. For intra day view, so this is a smaller range. Like previously, I've shown the weekly range. So it is not for the position, but this is for intraday. So actually, you have to look intraday short-term trades on based on these numbers. So now it is in the distribution zone. That is clearly a distribution zone for tomorrow trading. So this is the area where Nifty can take a reversal towards this 15,600, 15,687 to 15,625. This range again it may go upside, because in the short-term view we have seen only we have to look for a buying chance. But for the intraday players who want to sell with smaller stop loss, you can keep 15,939 above this level. Wait for a 5 minutes candle closing, then exit your position from selling. So this is the complete area where we have to look for a selling, and this is the area we have to look for a buying. And the view goes invalid once breaks 15,562 in the intraday momentum, I'm telling. So you have to wait for a 5 minutes closing. Even if it is stop loss getting triggered, at least you need to wait 5 minutes candle, at least 1 or 2 candle closing. Otherwise, market again it may go upside, because we are in bullish side. So rather looking selling, look for a buying opportunity even in the Monday trade, tomorrow's trade. So any fall towards this range, so there is a chance to accumulate for the upside target. So always be in the buy side. So still, if you are looking for a sell, take a smaller chance, like price reaches 15,876 range, keep this as a stop loss and take a trade. We can expect a decent profit. So stop loss must be kept above 15,939, and that to be 5 minutes candle closing basis. So now we'll go on to the Bank Nifty view. And here is the chart. This is for short term. Short term means 1 or 2 weeks, maximum 3 weeks. But intraday, I'll give you the next levels. But this is for short term view. We'll see here. So if you see here, previously the price started hitting this higher levels. This was the previous stop loss I given, but I said clearly, at least here, if you're taking the long-term views, at least the 30 minutes candle, 1 or 2 candle need to be traded above this. Otherwise, there is no chance of going upside. So because it is in the distribution zone, clearly it is in that distribution zone. This is where the Bank Nifty is struggling now. So this is the stop loss. At least wait for 1 or 2 30 minutes candle. Since it is a positional view, 1 or 2 weeks, it may take the targets. So my ultimate target is 34,225 and 33,856. This is the positional target for Bank Nifty. Now Bank Nifty doesn't clearly sell side, but Nifty it is in buy side. But Nifty in intraday it is in sell zone. Bank Nifty in positional it is in sell zone. And we see Bank Nifty even in the short term view. This is for weekly, then you don't need to follow the intraday levels. This is only enough because Bank Nifty also nowadays it is giving very good move. So now whoever trading in Bank Nifty, I've already given a level in Telegram channel and the chart is already shared. I said this is where the sell and this is where the target is. So you need to keep this stop loss, maintain the same. The level won't change until either its target or a stop loss. This is my level. So it won't change again and again. So better you make it clear. You keep this 35,721 as a stop loss, and 30 minutes candle need to be traded above 1 or 2 candle. 1 or 2 candle you have to wait. There is no way other go, because if see like this, it will get reject. Like this, it will get reject. So your stop loss may enter. So for this, you can edge your position. You can buy CE here. You just wait 1 or 2 candles to trade. Sometimes market can boom. So that time you will lose huge money. So for that reason, you just buy a CE and wait for 1 or 2 candle closing. If candles are not closing, then there is a possible the price can reverse from the top. So that is possible one. So Bank Nifty is in clear sell direction. So Nifty intraday it is in sell. So you can be in the sell side even on the board. But I'm very clear, as long as this level is safe, stop loss is safe, Bank Nifty need to reach 34,225 and 33,856. This is what my target for selling, the Bank Nifty selling. From here it can bounce back. From here it can bounce back because our maximum level will be around 36 range. So even Bank Nifty also can bounce back. But now it doesn't sell. So keep this area as a sell and you can expect a further fall down and it can bounce from here. So now I am in sell side. The coming week, Bank Nifty I am in sell side. As long as this level is safe, I'll be in selling side. So I can expect this 34,220 and 33,856. And thank you for watching this. Thank you all.